Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray, guys.
And this is Ryu. And we're back for another unboxing and quick review. And of course before we start, before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that
notification bell for more videos.
Yeah, for you to
keep you updated.
Yes, okay?
Yes,
Okay, so let's start. Today's video
is about
unboxing this Bucky Barnes.
Bucky Barnes. The Infinity War movie. Made by Hottoys 160 collectible.
Yes.
And this is our MMS 509. Yeah, buddy.
What he's saying to you?
Buddy.
Right there, guys.
Yeah, ghetto.
Nice. Of course, the symbol of Infinity War box or movie is this gold logo right here. And of course, you can see their trademark, like the trademark of Infinity War movie.
It's the Golden Avengers.
Yeah, this golden logo right here, Avengers Infinity War. So that logo right here. Of course, I noticed something that, the picture or the print of this Bucky Barnes, somehow it's more of, print of his picture, real picture, but then it looks like cartoon, like sketch, compared to other quality of other Infinity War box. The quality of this picture is like not a good one. That's what I noticed. Just the box. Compared to the other Infinity War figure, like their boxes. Like you can see the print. It's more alive, more the likeness of not the likeness, but the quality. It's like high end, more high end. Like this one is like more cartoon, more drawing, more sketch,
more comic.
Yeah, so that's what I just noticed. And then of course at the back, the warnings and information about the Hottoys. Yes, okay. So let's open up. And then there you go. So you can see right away what's inside the box.
This symbol is like Captain America's symbol.
And then here, once you open that box, that first part of the box is here, down here, the cast and crew. Yes.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Grand opening.
Yeah. Okay. So first up, let's tell them how many hands he has. So he has
4 pairs of hands.
4 pairs of hands.
4.
And then of course his left hand made of course the Infinity War movie, made by vibranium,
But in the Winter Soldier, it's made by titanium.
Yeah. And then the right hand is just with the gloves, right?
Yes.
And the next is this one. This one is his arm.
Yeah,
This is the hand. This is the arm where they vanish. It's very nice, yes, very nice to watch.
He vanished and that vanished.
Yes, okay, and then of course his, be careful, no. His rifle or his machine gun. Wow, it's very nice, guys. And then of course with extra magazine, long magazine. Or maybe, no, not extra. Maybe this is the
magazine.
Or maybe you can already put this one here. Wait, so there you go, guys.
Yes,
That's extra magazine. Not extra, but then you can put right here.
The magazine.
I'm not sure if it's this side or this side.
Definitely not that side.
So it's either this side or that side.
Wait. This is kind of bang.
Yeah, this side. I'm right.
Wait.
Right here. So it's right here, guys.
Daddy.
Yes.
Okay, wait. This is the bang.
Yeah, it's bang. Yes. And of course his knife right here. His knife right here.
The legendary assassin knife.
And then, okay, let's get the figure first.
Is it short? No.
Of course, the figure right here.
It's kind of short. His knife is short.
Okay, this is very nice, guys. Let's remove the plastic first. There you go, guys.
Okay,
So this is the figure.
No. So he's the figure.
He's the finger, bing bing.
Hold it, Martin. Hold it. And then the base right here, guys. The Infinity War logo holder right there. And there you go, guys. Yeah. So let's change the hand. And then let's put of course, this is his knife. There you go.
No, guys.
Okay, so I think that's it, guys. I mean, like, that's all you can see. That's all you can get from inside the box. So that's the accessories, which is his machine gun, his knife, and then the fading or vanishing left arm. Yeah. Wow. This one really amazed me, guys. This one's really nice. I mean, only Bucky Barnes has this one. I mean, the other Infinity War figure doesn't have this one. I mean, they should put, I mean, like, some of the character of the Infinity War movie. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, like, that effect, something like part of, like, you know, it's like diorama effect on his hand, right? It's very nice, guys. You can really, like, use it for, you know, like, if you display it. I mean, if everyone has this one, this kind of effect, then it's really cool to see them, like, you know. Very nice, guys. This is very nice. Not like another effort.
And you, like, put a bit of, like,
ash too. Yes.
ash when you, like, put him on the ground there.
Yes, that's nice. Yeah, and then of course the head sculpt. Yeah, the head sculpt is very nice too. Yeah.
It's like Bucky Barnes.
Yeah, really looks like him, guys. I mean, yeah. Just the neck, just the suit. His suit here somehow like too high, not tight but too high, like close to his chin already. I don't know. In the movie, maybe like at least a little bit of space, you know, on his neck, at least to, you know, to show. But it's because how I watch, how I look at it, it looks like really like so high.
Like he's choking.
Yeah, something like that, and choking. Yeah, and the zipper. And then of course you can see this.
You can see the pirate.
His suit right here. It's there's a magnet on the suit. If you're going to close it and open,
you can, like, put some stuff inside his jacket.
Yeah, it's a very nice figure, guys. I mean, his suit's very nice, and his pants, yeah.
Connected to his.
At least good thing they really changed the quality, or not the quality, the material they use for his on his suit. Yeah, compared to the very first version of Winter Soldier, right? Of course, this one won't, like, I think, yeah, it won't, like, yeah.
Oh yeah, it won't.
Yes, it won't. Yes.
Fabric leather.
No, it's not leather. No, it's not leather. It's like fabric, satin, type, right? And then of course, see this one, fabric material. It's very nice.
Military.
Very nice figure, guys.
Military.
Yeah, the details very nice.
Eric Kimmel.
Even his gun is very nice too, right? It's very nice too.
Very intimidating.
Huh?
No, like his look.
Okay, you mean his look. Okay, but then I can feel like this shoulder is too high. The way I see it, like, it's too high. I don't know why. If it's really like that. Touch his left arm, his vibranium arm. Yeah, it's very tight, guys, like this one. This. See? Boom! Yeah, you can see right there. Boom! Yeah, it's very nice, guys. Yeah, the articulation is very nice too. Only So yeah, also nice.
It's like arm pads to protect him.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. You can really like lift, huh? Right. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
It's really nice about the like designs on the vibranium arm. They put like every detail on it, and then even the knife, they made it look as realistic as possible. And the head sculpt, of course, it's like their specialty.
Okay.
It's like their specialty too. And also his gun is really nice, very realistic. And
Daddy.
Yes, yes. Okay.
and the extra arm, they did a really good job on the effects. Right?
Yes.
It's kind of like kind of like Captain Marvel punching. The like power, but it's like fading.
Yeah. Punching Captain America?
No, Captain Marvel like punching, the like with the fire.
Ah, you mean like have some effect of fire?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then
Yeah.
his pants, like I like his pants, like protect his shoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's very prepared and armed.
And legs, of course, you cannot open it. You cannot split like this, of course, because of the fabric material. It's very tight because of the stitch. The front part, a little bit. You can see right here. The knees is nice too. Yeah. You can really like bend it like this. Yes, right here like that. So it's fine. It's good. Not really close to his thigh, but I mean it's fine too. It's good, right? So it's very nice articulation, guys, overall. And of course, and then again, the head sculpt is very nice too. Yes. Okay, so of course, if you want to complete the Infinity War character,
It's a must.
in this Infinity War line, the Avengers, this Avengers Infinity War line, if you want to complete, oh yes, of course, this one is a must. We don't know.
Or else you won't complete it.
Yeah, of course, in Endgame, we don't know if he going to get another or extra back. Oh yeah, maybe not, right? So we're not sure. So yeah, only like my problem is just this one. There's the suit. It's not really fit to him, and then these pads right here can be really tight. They can maybe make it tighter, but then yeah, I don't know why. And yeah, I think that's it. Overall, it's very nice. Very nice figure. And of course, the head sculpt. That's what you are, paying somehow, right? Yeah, very nice, guys.
The bang bang.
Okay, he has the bang bang.
And then the feet.
The feet. What's that? What's that? Boots.
Boots.
Yeah, boots. What else?
And then the sword.
Sword.
And
Short. Jacket.
jacket.
Yes.
And
The pad.
Pads. Yes.
And the head.
Yes. So,
And the head.
Yes.
And the bang bang.
Yeah, I forgot to say, yeah, of course, the arm, his arm, it's not really that shiny, but you can see, I mean, yeah, maybe because the quality, because the vibranium,
not really shiny.
not really shiny, yeah. But
Meant
at least
for,
you can
like,
see the
Bye guys.
weathering is nice
Later.
too, the paint is very nice too, right?
But I think they can make it shiny also.
Yeah, but I think it's not really like because of that vibranium material they use, right? Maybe.
Yeah, so-
Yes, so I think that's it, guys. So bye, guys.
Bye
If you want to
guys.
watch our next video, please subscribe down below and bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Yeah. All right, let's go.